Today I'm going to be talking about my geometry Christmas rigid transformations, including reflections, rotations, and translations. Enjoy! The first kind of transformation I'm going to be talking about is reflections. An example of this are these two lanterns at my front door. If we were to draw a line of reflection through the center of the door vertically, then they would be reflected over and be exactly the same. They are identical from each part and are exact mirrors of each other. Another good example of a reflection are these birds on this cookie tin. The two at the bottom are a reflection over the y-axis being the mirror of reflection. The bird on the left being the pre-image and the bird on the right being the image are exact copies of each other when reflected over a mirror. The next kind of transformations I have are translations. These stockings are a perfect example. If you start at the top one that says my name, pick a point, move it down the y-axis and to the right X amount of units, you'll get to the second one and the last one and keep the same exact shape. The last example I have for translation are these Christmas lights. Each individual light bulb are all the same, they are just put at different parts along the Christmas strip. If you start with one light and move it left or right along the rope, acting as the x-axis, it maps upon itself, therefore being a translation. Lastly, I have rotations. My first example is this small fountain-like structure in my village. Each bench can be rotated to map upon itself in the other one. It can be rotated 90 degrees 4 times in order to map upon itself as shown. Each way you turn to look at it, it shows the exact same image with the same length and angles. My last example for a rotation and for the transformations in the video are these chairs. They are the exact same black chairs with the same Christmas pillows on them. However, they've been slightly rotated in order to face each other. By sliding them slightly inwards, you are rotating them, and if you keep rotating them, they would eventually map upon each other. Thank you for watching.